Our latest product development with our friends at Artemide is a portable rechargeable lamp called Takku. The name Takku comes from a Japanese word for a pin or a tack. As well as inferring its shape, it also alludes to its inherent portability, like a pin used to temporarily fix notes to a surface. In terms of its engineering, the weighted base gives it the lamp stability and a tactile quality. It has an extruded aluminium base, stem containing a single LED source, and a rechargeable battery that's optimized for disassembly. The battery itself allows for 30 hours on a single charge, and we worked hard to optimize the light diffuser in order to distribute the light down the stem, but also create a visible illuminated edge around the shade and express a volume of light. Our concepts really always evolve through working with great manufacturers, and the team at Artemide are passionate experts, the engineers, Carlotta, and of course, it's very much part of Ernesto's legacy.